Hello everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and today is day 12 of hashtag Art Journal Habit 2018, a month-long art journaling daily challenge. Brought to you by Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group. It's not too late to join, it's still only day 12. So if you want to, go over there, ask to join the group, make sure you answer the questions, and then you can get the prompt list from there and share your artwork there or any place using the hashtag Art Journal Habit 2018. So today's prompt is hide, and I first thought about making something hiding behind something or something like that, but then I thought, you know what, the other meaning of the word hide is skin, usually like of an animal, or also, of course, your dad might have said to you when you were being bad, I'm going to tan your hide. So all that led to me to go find some napkins that I have in my stash that have animal prints on them. And then also this piece of paper bag, which has some sort of an animal print as well. And I'm using that for my background today, collaging on this background. Now I have this new medium that I got from DecoArt that is called napkin decoupage. And I've never thought, you know, what could be different? I mean, the stuff is all the same, right? What could be different? It seems to be the same consistency of Liquitex fluid medium, which I've used for napkins before. I was wrong. It's different, and I don't know what they did to it, but somehow as it dries, it takes the bubbles out of the napkins. It's magic. I don't even know. I don't even know how they do it because, you know, I have a problem with napkins because they're so thin and they get too wet when you're trying to apply them with, what I've used in the past is Liquitex fluid medium. If I tried to use the gel medium, then it's too dry and they tear when I try to press them down. I've had this problem for a long time of how to decoupage napkins neatly, and so I just gave up and I said, well, it's texture. If it's got bubbles or rips, it's just texture, right? This DecoArt napkin stuff actually works. It just glues it down beautifully, and it does have a little bit of like a wrinkly at the beginning, but then it goes away as it dries. I don't know, magic. Anyway, so I'm just going to tell you that. I'll put a link below if you want to purchase some of it, if you like to collage napkins a lot. I've watched videos where people have had all kinds of ideas of how to, you know, do it neatly, and man, that was easy. So then my other thing that I have problems with is magazine collage. And the reason that I have a problem with that is because that type of paper gets bubbly and wrinkly when it gets wet, and it's just a pain in my tail. But I have a new glue, and I already knew this glue worked for this. Do I love this glue? I'm not sure. It's sticky. It's sticky, but it doesn't have the water content or the moisture content that my other gel and liquid mediums do, and so it does work really well for gluing on magazine collage. So these pieces are cut out of a magazine, obviously. I've got a girl in an animal print furry dress thing, and then some glasses because I think those funny girls should have glasses, big glasses. I just think they should. So I cut out a little pair of glasses from a page. This is a watch, but it makes a really good wall clock. Sorry for the yawn, guys. Now I bet everybody's yawning. And then I had a couch with some animal print pillows that I decided not to use, and then this chair that's got like a leopard print all over it. Just filling up the page with things that have animal print on them, hide print on them. And I'm using a old credit card type situation to smooth these down. Um, I, I'm in a hurry because I'm trying to get my pages done in advance of traveling, and I don't wait long enough for this Yes paste to dry. You should let it dry, not try to hurry it along. It's not the hurry along kind of thing. I don't know what it's made out of, but it really does securely and very flatly glue down stuff. So if you're a bookmaker, it's great for that. It works for magazine collage. It works for thin papers that tend to want to wrinkle up and stuff, but you do need to give it some time. And as you can see, I'm not giving it any time. I'm trying to dry it with my heat tool. I'm trying to get done. I'm trying to hurry, and yeah, I should let it dry. It kind of did bad things to my Posca pen. Well, yeah. Didn't let it dry, and it gummed up my pen. But anyway, that's life when you're in a hurry and you're not, taking your time and being careful. Um, the pen sort of still works, but it's not at its full capacity anymore. So what I was going to do was I was going to draw all around all my images with this white pen because I just think it looks cool on a dark background. It's a little bit different. Normally I would put shadows and then highlights, but I just wanted to draw around them instead with the white pen. I've done this before on other magazine collage pages, and I think it's kind of cool looking. So that's what I'm doing. I'm being sloppy. I am in a hurry. I'm not waiting for the paste or anything. It just, yeah. You know where I'm going with this. I'm in a hurry. But I still think it looks cool. Then I make a little puddle of the white ink eventually because I'm trying to clear the tip. And I start using that flat water brush, that Arteza flat water brush, to kind of almost do a little bit of, I don't know, it's kind of like exclusion. I'm kind of going around the images with the white ink that's very diluted. And that makes me kind of happy. I liked that. But this is a clever page. It's about not killing endangered animals and turning them into skin that you want to hang on yourself. I mean, I'm just not into it. I'm just not into it. The first thing I printed with my P-Touch says, "Please don't tan my hide." Kind of the play on, getting your butt beat if you've been naughty, and also tanning hide, the animal hides. And then up near the clock piece, I put "It's about time," and then, that's kind of like it's about time to stop, and it's also it's about time, as in the clock. And then I come up with another label eventually. This is where I go and do that kind of exclusion-y thing, sort of, not completely painting out the background, but kind of going around the pasted on images, kind of like a reverse shadow because it's white, so therefore it's not a shadow, but it's kind of shadow-like. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos every day this month, and if you are, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment or something below. That helps my channel out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and you can share this or pin it on your Pinterest board if you want to be able to go back and find all these pages all in one place. That's what I'm doing on my Pinterest board. So the last one, the last little sticker says "Faux Forever." So you kind of get the idea what the page is about. I go around the edges with my poor little Memento ink pad, which is getting all beat up from going around the edges of pages. A little bit wasn't stuck there. So that's it for hide on day 12. Yeah, it's day 12. We're getting close to halfway. There's my Pentel pocket brush pen again. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.